Good morning, everyone. Hopefully, you all have had a great time. Let's have some fun today looking at the stock market. Missed you all. It's been a little bit since I've live streamed. We are currently looking at the market. Things are dropping. Good morning, Juliana. Let's try and climb back up a little bit here. Good morning, Scott. Good morning, Chelsea. It has been way too long since I've streamed, Scott. Way too long. But I'm glad that I'm back. This is trying to climb here. Morning, Yoshi. Right on this candlestick. Good morning, Alan. Good morning, Beaker. Green right here. Kind of just watching the market right now, just seeing what direction it's wanting to go. It's kind of just consolidating, staying in the same place. This may cause the drop here. So we'll see what happens there. Pulling back a little bit right now. So it is struggling to go down. We'll see how long it takes to get out of that struggle. Starting to drop here a little bit. Looks like that's going to be a good one if it can keep dropping. I do have some shorts already placed from Friday. So I expected a drop, and it is being successful. It is curving a little bit on the SMA here. There you go, there's a drop. That's actually what we've wanted for that other position, so I'm happy there. H-band looks like it's wanted to come back up here. Looks like now it's struggling, so we'll wait. So how was everybody's weekend? And also the last 2 weeks where I didn't live stream. Hopefully you all had much success in all that you've done. Today's the 22nd of August. So what's the next different one? Oh. O is August 31st, ex-dividend date. Love that dividend stock. Excellent, Alan. Good. Glad to hear that. Looks like it's trying to shoot up here. Let's add Tesla to this. Tesla says it's going to drop more. It's AMD 5-minute looking like it's about the same thing here. Could drop more, but it is pulled back a bit on both of them. So we'll see if it continues or not. Lots of family time, Chelsea. Glad to hear it. Sorry I missed you at the park there yesterday. We kind of left by 4 a.m. to make sure we were back in Cedar. Let's drop in here. So as you guys can see here at the bottom left, this is my watch list of the main stocks I trade. Everything is very, very red. So we're just being careful right now before placing any more trades of what direction we want to go. So it is kind of just a waiting period right now. I personally think trading the first 15 minutes of the market, um, most of the time it is super dangerous because it's still trying to build a pattern. On the 5-minute candlestick, there is no third candlestick that's been created. So there is no pattern yet on the 5-minute. On the 15-minute one, I usually wait for the second candlestick and then go from there. But right now it's just a waiting period. It is a long drive, Chelsea. It took us about 4 hours. So we made it back around about 8 o'clock in the morning yesterday. So I'm still feeling tired from it. It did fall again below the SMA 5 yellow line here, indicating it could drop more, which we just saw a low point. This pointing down here, this is wanting to drop. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna drop. H-band wants to climb. Let's trade some H-band. We'll just do I think we'll be okay to trade H-band. It had a gap down, but it didn't fall below the SMA 20 on the 100-day chart. Whoa, the AMD just did a jump up. It is right here. Looks like it might actually climb. Alright, we're still gonna wait a minute. Let me get things set up so we can do the drawing today. We are only gonna do one drawing. Even though I've missed the last 2 weeks, we're still gonna do just the one drawing. Alright, so we did get some more names for the drawing. The online part isn't updated with those new names yet because I've been, gone. But we will get that done this week. But we do have a total of 198 people. So we are going to do the drawing on 198 numbers for the drawing. It looks like it's climbed up pretty good here. We have another 2 more minutes. Yeah, 2 more minutes till the next 15-minute candlestick starts. I might have to lock in that gain from that short, even though it says it could drop a lot more. We'll see. We'll see if I lock it in or not. May not, because I do think the tech sector may drop. Like AMD might drop back into the 80s, and it's at 94 right now. And I would like that movement. All right. Alright, did the random roll generator disappear? I guess there's a new one out. The version that I was using is no longer there. Alright, let's go back to here though. Let's see if it decides to climb here on the 1 minute. If it goes above the SMA 20, which it's rejecting the climb so far. May drop more again. "15-minute chart showing red. Now a little bit green, a little bit red. We're getting Christmas colors. That's a big jump right now. I don't think it'll hold it though. I don't think this climb will hold long. This stochastic here, right here, it is way too high. It's extremely overbought. It needs to pull back down. So let's do the drawing and we'll come back to this, just because right now we have to wait. Alright, so this random roll generator looks completely different, but we're gonna do it. So right now I have it set to 0, 0. So roll, nothing's gonna happen here. This is an example. This person's not the winner, but if we have from 0 to 198, again, this is an example, then go. There we go. So even though it says right here, random numbers between, oh, so I need to do, there was a 0. There we go. So now I can go any of them. Completely random. Oh, I can hold it and do that too. That might be fun. Just let go randomly and see where it ends. Boom. All right. Are you guys ready to see who's today's winner is? Should I hold it randomly? Just so it just does a bunch of random ones like this, and then let go, and then that will be the winner? Or should I just do it like one time and then there it is? What do you guys think? Looks like it's wanted to drop more, but now it's hitting pretty quickly to this 20, but the signal line hasn't caught up yet, so could still drop more. Alan and Chelsea are ready. One time? You like the one time better rather than just holding it? Okay, so let me put it here to 0. And then we'll put in the 198 there. Gotta keep watching it closely here. See what we do. It's trying to climb up here, but it's rejecting it. Ooh, it is starting on the other side, but a little bit red. 15-minute chart, still super red. This one is an interesting one though, because it's on the upside of the yellow. That's why it's turning green a little bit. Good morning, Vicky. Good to see ya. So it is a little bit red, green right here. Let's see, H-band. H-band is just still struggling. AMD. We're mainly watching AMD right now. I have a big short into it right now. It's very profitable, so I'm waiting to see if I need to lock it in or if I'm going to just hold on to it. 15-minute one, this one turned green. We may actually get out of it then. We'll see. Alright, let's go do the drawing. So we currently have 198 people. So let's do this drawing. So as you can see, it's currently set to 0. Right now, it will go from 0 to 198. As soon as I press go, it will do a random number. We already did an example one, so this next roll, whoever it lands on will be the winner. So let's see who wins today's. Three, two, one. Number 103. Congratulations, number 103. Remember to reach out to me. You have 30 days to claim it. If you do not claim it within those 30 days, you forfeit the winnings. So please reach out to me because we want to give you the winnings. But congratulations, number 103. All right. That is today's winner. Let's go back to the market and take a look. Remember to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. It helps us a lot. So thank you so much for those who are doing that, and hopefully we get more people to join us. Looks like here it's dropping pretty good, so we're gonna wait. Let's see, how is like Tesla doing? 'Cause Tesla is struggling. Dropping here, dropping here. But look at this, it's hitting the oversold area right here, but the red line, the signal line, hasn't caught up yet. We're gonna keep watching it. AMD is trying to climb up right here. Still busy on that candlestick, which ends in 1 minute. So we'll see what happens there. I think we actually might get out of our short. What do you mean oversold area? So oversold area, so if I pull up the 1 minute chart here, in this box right here, you see two lines that are red, that are parallel. So there's an 80 line and then there's a 20 line. Anytime that it's above 80, that means it's overbought. Anytime that it's below 20, that means it's oversold. Too many sellers if it would drop below 20 on both lines. Looks like here it's wanting to climb. So let's lock in some AMD. Let's get out of it about 10,000. Let's do 12,000 shares. $1.1 million. Let's see. How's that 15-minute looking though? 15-minute hasn't caught up to that line. I'm not sure if I want to wait till that. I may. Just because it's hitting the overbought territory again. Hi, the martial actor. First time joining the live stream here. How do we find out which number we are? Um, so we on our website, you're able to see what number you are. We haven't updated the numbers from those who subscribed for the last 2 weeks because I've been gone because I had a relative pass away. But they will be updated this week. But you're able to find out on this website that I'll put in the chat. Go to that website and you're able to see your number. But again, I still have a lot of subscribers that I have to add on there because we had about 13, 14 more subscribers that I need to add on. But welcome though. Hopefully you'll be joining us more often. Let's check out Amazon stock. Struggling as well. Let's check Google stock. Yeah, it's also struggling. I think I'm gonna probably hold on to that short that I have here. As you can see, I have about 12,000 shares that I'd be getting out of. Just watching it closely here. See what it will do. Because it's struggling to go higher than, this area. And it is in the overbought territory on the 1 minute. 5 minute, it still has room to climb on the stochastic here. But it is struggling. 15-minute chart. We have the next one starts in about 30 seconds. Look at that drop right here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna hold on to that short. So let's see here. We'll do like H-band. Also wants to drop. Tesla. Ooh, Tesla. Okay. So let's do Tesla. Okay, we're not gonna go do 10 million. Let's do 500 shares. So 400,000. Switch that back to Dake. Otherwise, it won't let me short. And then if I do, what's the lowest here? 860.24. Okay, now we know on the 15-minute chart it wants to drop. As long as it stays below 861.51. Yeah, looks like it wants to drop here, so that is reaching the oversold territory though. So we'll see what it does here. Yeah, it's dropping. Oh, a little jump all of a sudden. A little bit green. We're gonna wait. Second green. We're still waiting though. Just turned red. Turn green again. Waiting. I would say when you're trading stocks, me personally, I am trading about 10% of the time, and 90% of the time I'm just waiting for the right play. Turn green on that. Have a great day, Chelsea. Thanks for coming in and watching. We want to do there. H-band wants to probably climb up a little bit here. Start above the line here. Red going right back in. Tesla is down $27 per share right now. 26.86, 94. It's quite a bit. Start a little bit lower and to the side. This is a good sign on the 5-minute at least. Looks like we may not short it. If we don't short it, maybe we'll do 1,000 shares. I'm watching AMD on the right hand side here with level 2 with the price of action. So that's where I'm keeping an eye on it. Looks like it is dropping here. Maybe we'll still short it. I just realized I haven't even ate yet today. That's okay. Watching the market can get a little bit intense and you lose track of time. Alright, looks like Tesla may actually drop here. Start a little bit lower, start red. AMD's dropping pretty quickly as well. Low points at 861.07. And just jumped up. Kind of a crazy market today, actually. AMD just jumped up to about 25 cents, about 30 cents now. Alright, so this one, yeah, it's trying to climb. Topped out here though, again, on this one and this one, and over here. Let's see, like I don't want to buy if it's getting hard stuck right there and then it goes back down. So we would have to wait till it breaks that point and then we buy. Just consolidating there right now. Looks like it's breaking through again here. You still got like AMD that did fall here. You need to see what happens there. You got Amazon did fall even more there as well. You got Google did drop a little bit more as well. H-band still consolidating. Just all day it's just been consolidating between these two prices, 13.76 and 13.80. Just been staying there the whole time. The volume is super low actually. 3,000, 4,000. There was a 26,000. There's an 84. Super low volume for the day on that. AMD wanted to climb up a little bit right there. What about Tesla? Oh, it's dropping here pretty quickly all of a sudden. Let's see if we get ready to short. Low is the 0.10. Here it went to 0.11. So, yep, there it is, a break. Okay, we'll short 1,000 shares. Got in on the short. 29. A little bit of a climb right there, but that's okay. We'll wait. That was a big turnaround right here for a second there. Not too worried. Struggling to go up more, so that's good for us since we shorted with 1,000 shares. Can I watch it for a minute? Pointing down on the stochastic here again, which is good for our short. A little bit of a climb, but not too worried. I went to as low as 858.89. I think it will still drop below it. It is climbing up a little bit here, but that's alright. Now it's just a waiting game now that we're in. I think it's gonna break below that low point and then drop probably another like $10, $20 really quickly. Stochastic is going up too fast when the price is just staying where it's at. It is above the line, but still struggling. Here it's pointing down again. Every time it does like a little climb though, you can see that the highs are getting lower every time. That's why I'm not really that worried. And if it does start climbing fast, then I will get out and just take the loss on that trade. But I don't think it will. I think it will drop more. There was a drop. Can it continue? I think it will. But it is consolidating here again, even at a low point. A little bit of a climb. AMD's continue to drop. AMD, yep. If it can break below 858.89, that would be awesome. Start curve here. A little bit of a jump. A little bit of a jump here. It's a 15-minute candlestick. They're still trying to figure out where they want to go. If it wants to continue climbing back up here, or if it's overall going to just drop more, because the SMAs are dropping. Stochastic went too high again. Hi, 1010. Probably gonna end the stream here very soon, guys, just because how slow things are. I am in the short position, but I'm waiting because I think it'll come back down. Stochastic is super high, so it needs to come back down. Right there, it's trying to go down, but it's a really slow day today, so I'm probably not gonna do too much right now besides just watching it. Looks like in there it's trying to climb. But the next time that I will be live streaming will be next week, Monday, the 29th. We'll have our list for the drawings updated since we were late from the last 2 weeks for doing that. But we'll have it updated here soon. But yeah, again, on the 29th is when I'm going to be doing the live stream again. Looks like it's a little bit struggling here again, which is great for us. But we're just going to now just wait and watch. So I am going to end the stream here. You all have a great rest of your day and look forward to seeing you all next week. Thank you for coming in.